Hey guys, it's Mr. Takeover here, and today we are with the Honor Band 4 running. That's a nice tongue-in-cheek Honor, well done for that. So today we are going to do the unboxing of Honor Band 4, and pretty much it says everything over here, only what it's supposed to do and not. So we're just gonna read it out. Running from guide to wearing modes, 5 ATM, that is 5 meters, I think so. I don't know. Long battery life it claims for about 21 days, but I pretty much think so it won't last 21 days because I have had Honor Band 3 which used to claim for a month, but with the heart rate sensor and everything on it, probably just worked for 7 days maximum, 7 to 10 days maximum. Stylish and colorful wristband, etc, 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 blah blah blah. And there are actually 4 colors: blue, black and blue, red and blue, red and black, yellow, and one more thing I don't remember, green actually. But I pretty much like this one because I'm a great fan of red and black. So let's start with this. Guys, let me just grab a knife real quick. Oh, so guys, back here with the kitchen knife, which my mom probably uses to threaten me with my life for doing something wrong. Oh my god, this is so okay. Over with it. Okay, it's pretty much okay for the packaging. Here we have the band itself. Screw the packaging. It's pretty small actually. Compared to the images and seen everything, it's pretty small. Let's keep this aside. Here we get the USB charging port. Okay, so this one actually, this is pretty nice. I like this one. I like this way of charging. You have to actually remove it from here, plug it inside over here, and then directly into the USB charger, whichever you have for the phone or anything, directly charges it itself. And this one probably goes on to this for the running thing, I think so. Yeah, it's for the running. This one goes onto your shoelaces, and then the shoelaces goes away, and this one fits on top of it. Maybe something like this. Yeah, like this. It's a pretty much fit inside. Let's start with the band over here itself, and I don't know how to turn it on. Pretty much like this only, I think so. Oh my god, that's a real big thing. Sorry guys, excuse me on this one because I'm not an experienced YouTuber. So please forgive me on these things I have been doing, pretty much missing. Pretty much there is no juice over here, I think so. I don't see any button or anything. Warranty cards and everything, and this is a pretty big quick start guide. I haven't seen such a big quick start guide in a long time. No phones have such a big quick start guides nowadays, so this must be some pretty high-tech watch for me, more high-tech than Apple Watch or a Samsung Watch. So this is pretty much it guys. This is the Honor watch, and stay tuned for the full review. Over here is the actual button. I don't know if you guys can see or anything. Yeah, I see over here, button for the touchscreen. And stay tuned for the watch guys. It's coming, the review is coming soon for this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back. Please like the video, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys.